Maxine at Fabricland. We've changed location today. We're in our other warehouse and we've just taken a delivery of some gorgeous viscose prints. If my camera lady can just have a pan down here, look, all gorgeous ones that have just come in. We thought we'd put them up for you all to see. They're all live on the website now and we've done them at a bargain price of £3.33 a metre. Now, some people think, well, there must be something wrong with them if they're that cheap. No, we've bought very well. We buy cheap, we sell cheap. So what I've done is pulled out a couple of patterns. I think there's this gorgeous long line viscose top, which I think would look lovely made up. And Butterick are on promotion until the 2nd of February. And what about this dress? I think this would look lovely for the summer. I know a lot of us like black, navy, so that's what we've gone for. We buy what we sell, so we know what's going to be the best thing. So I think this dress would look lovely, either in a longer sleeve, shorter sleeve. I think that would look lovely for the spring and summer. Okay, if I just show you these viscoses, they look absolutely lovely. Look, and they don't crease much. Look, I'm really creasing this. You know, when you sit down, and with the print, you don't see any creasing. So viscose is a natural fibre. It's made from tree bark, so nice and cool to wear in the spring and summer, or if you're of that certain age where you keep feeling warm. Okay, so look, there's lots ditzy prints, we've got animal prints, lovely flowers. I think there's something for everyone here. And as I said, £3.33 a metre. Oh, and this one I've stuck in, we're doing a promotion on this one of just £2 a metre. So I think that would look lovely made into a nice dress or a skirt for summer. I think that's really nice. It's nice in spring and sunshine. So maybe if you wanted to try your pattern out at £2 a metre, you really can't go wrong, can you? So just a quick tip, we've got a £2 section on our website, a £1 section on our website. So you can go on there, grab yourself some bargains, and the price you see on the website is the price you pay. There's no added VAT, just pop it all in your basket, put your address in, it works out your postage. So come and grab yourself some bargains and get sewing, and you could even stash and save. So buy it now and sew it a bit later. Goodbye.